Next up, ladies and gentlemen, is a man who claims to have superhuman powers. Please welcome Lightning Jones, the fastest man on Earth. Fastest man on Earth. You're fast, huh?
Faster than light, dude.
All right, well, prove it.
All right, take out your wallet, put it on your lap.
Okay, take out my wallet. Here's my wallet, and put it in my lap, okay?
Yeah, I think it's over here.
Wow, that's amazing. Wait a second, mine is still on my lap.
Yeah, well, I put it back.
All right, fake. Why don't you just leave?
I just did, twice.
All right, just go, okay?
I'm gone. Oops, I'm back.
Would you just get out of here? Get out of here right now. Get out of here. Let's go.
All right.
Wow. Look at him go.